Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
What?
Those are good.
Hey everyone, it's time for an ice bath. Here it goes. I'll get back to you, let you know how it is. It's freaking cold, man. Ah, there's my wife. No. She's cold. The ice bath.
Just stop. Why are you recording yourself?
It is so cold. It's really cold. The ice bath. Whew.
All right, so I did it for, we did it for like 12 minutes, sat in that ice cold water. I tell you what, man, my hip and my knee was hurting today, and it kind of relieved it. Yeah, this is enough. But we're gonna put the boys in the shower and take that cold ass water, and we're gonna throw it on them in their shower. But yeah, it made me feel a lot better. So I don't know, just check it out if you need to. All right.